Hello. The birth of an influencer, y'all. The birth of an influencer. I think I'm gonna start over. Okay, hold on. We need to take a drink. I'm filming this on my old ass MacBook Pro because I don't have a mirror. It's not really glamorous. I think I'm just gonna start. I haven't done anything on my skin. Hold on, let me show you my makeup kit. This is my makeup kit. It goes in a bag, plastic bag from Key Foods. I have this palette that I've been using since Halloween 2018. Oh, we got some bronzer. But then I got these little guys. They're Wet n Wild. Some more Maybelline stuff. This is a gold tattoo thing. So this is basically a Maybelline thing because this is the birth of an influencer. So I'm not sponsored by anyone right now. So I don't know why I'm showing all the products because I don't really know what it means, but I'm acting like I do. I think you do this. Oh, I got a lot on, I think. No, I watched someone do makeup on a YouTube video from the 80s and they did some like this stuff. Oh, this is, so, okay. Maybe I shouldn't use my computer for the mirror. See, oh, dang. So I have a base. I'm really just want to see what this fucking yellow looks like. You do not want to watch me do makeup for like 57 minutes. We're literally just gonna load my eyelids up in yellow. This is gonna be a really soft look for spring, you know? Mirror somewhere here. My lights went out. This is kind of cool, right? I mean, I'll clean all this other shit up that's not lining. Oh. Well, we're making a choice. No. Again, it's so hard to look at yourself flipped when you're using your computer screen as a mirror. This is what you get. I don't recommend it, so find a mirror. Okay, I'm gonna show you how the eraser button works. So we are going to erase with makeup wipe things we don't like. This is better. I can actually see what nastiness I've done. Okay. Yeah, the eraser button like really works wonders. I think with the makeup wipe, like you can pretty much fix anything. Okay, let's try and put more yellow on now that we have the eraser. The magic eraser. Go inside. Little wide windshield wipers. Okay. Cool. Could add a glitter. Again, if it doesn't work, we use the magic eraser. So we're gonna try and blend this cream and this color in. Oh, look at that. Okay. That's good. Look at me mixing colors. This right here, folks, is the birth of an influencer. I love to go in the crease, though. I love a crease. And you know why I love a crease? Nancy Pelosi. Oh, I'm giving myself a little cat eye. Okay, cool. I'm down with this.